Hey guys, welcome to Delph Stack, and today I will be discussing how to use Adobe Acrobat extension for Chrome. So first thing is of course to download the extension. You just simply go ahead and go for the Chrome web store .google.com, and now from here, as you can see, you can just simply select extensions over here on the top left, and you could use the search bar at the top, of course, and from here you could just simply search for a specific keyword, Adobe Acrobat. So from here, as you can see, you will have the pop-up already. Click on it and it will redirect you over here, and you could just simply go ahead and select add to Chrome over here, and you will have an option over here, add extension. Now, after that, you will just simply wait for some time as Chrome install the Acrobat into your Chrome. And as you can see right away, it will redirect you to another tab, which from here, you should be able to have a guide about the Adobe Acrobat. So pretty much you could just simply select this icon over here. Now here, you could select manage extensions. And now guys, make sure to turn this on in order for you to activate the extension. And you could also select details. And from here, you will have multiple options that you might want to consider. So pretty much here on the extension that you have, when you click on it, you could select a specific file. And now you could convert it to a PDF to Word, and a bunch of options over here. You could edit it out, and you could also sign it. You could just simply select a file and select a file that is on your PC, and you should be able to use the Adobe Acrobat. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.